Algebraic Expressions, Class 6, NCERT. Algebraic expressions are formed by using any one or more than one of the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We use numbers and variables to form an algebraic expression. Variables are also known as literal numbers. An expression consists of variable and number terms, connected by one or more operation symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to sum of all sides. So it equals 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. We write it as 2L plus 2B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Here 2L and 2B are terms of the expression. They are joined together by a plus sign. Parts of the expression separated by plus or minus sign are called terms of the expressions. L and B are independent variables which can take different values. Variables can take different numerical values, so variables are like numbers only, and we can apply all four operations to them as we apply to numbers. Variables also follow commutative law, associative law for addition and multiplication. The distributive law for multiplication over addition and subtraction also holds in the same way as it holds for numbers. We will deal with expressions involving only one variable and numbers. 2 more than x. We can write an algebraic expression for this, and that is x plus 2, where 2 is the numerical term and remains the same throughout, and x is the variable term. 5 taken away from 3 times x can be written as, now 3 times x is 3x. 5 taken away from 3x will be 3x minus 5. Here the numbers 3 and 5 are constant and x is the variable or literal number. Let us now examine some sentences in spoken English language, and we will convert these into mathematical sentences or expressions. A number that is 5 more than another given number. Let us say that the number given is x. Now 5 more than x will be x plus 5. So we can write this as x plus 5, which is the mathematical expression corresponding to the English sentence. Sometimes the spoken language statement takes different forms. Similarly, 3 less than a number. Let the number be x. 3 less than x will be x minus 3. 2 times x, 2x. X divided by 4, x upon 4. 7 added to 2 times x. 2 times x is 2x and we add 7 to it. 6 taken away from 5 times x. 5 times x is 5x and we take away 6, that is subtract 6 from 5x. So 5x minus 6. 3 times the sum of x and 1. What is the sum of x and 1? X plus 1. So 3 times x plus 1 is the mathematical sentence. 8 subtracted from x. The mathematical sentence is x minus 8. 2 times x taken away from 9. Okay, 2 times x is 2x and 2x we subtract from 9. So it comes out to be 9 minus 2x. X divided by 10 increased by 3. X divided by 10 can be written as x upon 10. Now increase by 3, so we add 3 to x upon 10 and we get x upon 10 plus 3, or I can write it as 3 plus x upon 10. Now let us look at the mathematical sentence first, and we will make English sentences from the mathematical sentence. X plus 9. I can write it as 9 more than x, or x increased by 9, or 9 added to x. Y minus 5. I can write it as 5 less than y. 3m, 3 times m. T by 4, 1/4 of t. 2k minus 3, 3 less than 2 times k. 3x plus 7, 7 more than 3 times x. 5 minus 4m, 5 decreased by 4 times m. 3 plus 2x, 3 increased by 2 times x. X upon 7 minus 1, 1/7 of x decreased by 1. X upon 3 plus 5, 1/3 of x increased by 5. Let us form expressions in daily life situations. Meenakshi is 18 years older than Richa and 6 years older than Rajesh. So let Richa's age be x years. So Meenakshi's age in terms of Richa's age is x plus 18. Now Rajesh's age in terms of Richa's age will be Meenakshi's age minus the difference between Meenakshi and Rajesh's age, that is 6 years. So this comes out to be equal to x plus 12. Aman is 2 times older than Kajri. Kanha's age is 1/3 of Kajri's age. Now let Kajri's age be x years old. Aman's age is 2x. Kanha is 1/3 of Kajri's age. So 1/3 of x, or we can write it as equal to x upon 3. Jane bought 1/4 of ribbons that Geeta has. Geeta has x ribbons. Jane bought 1/4 of x ribbons, or x upon 4. Pretty's present age is x years. What will be her age after 4 years? X plus 4. What will Pretty's age was 4 years ago? X minus 4. 2 times Pretty's age after 7 years. Let us find out Pretty's age after 7 years. It will be x plus 7. So 2 times Pretty's age after 7 years is twice x plus 7. 1/3 Pretty's age 2 years ago. What will Pretty's age be 2 years ago? X minus 2. So 1/3 of Pretty's age 2 years ago is 1/3 x minus 2. Sam has 5 more marbles than 2 times John. John has x marbles. 2 times John's marbles are 2x. Now Sam has 5 more marbles than twice John's marbles. I can write it as 2x plus 5. Raju has 3 less pencils than 2 times pencils Kate has. Kate has x pencils. Twice Kate's pencils are 2x. Raju has 3 pencils less than twice Kate's pencils. We can write this as 2x minus 3. Price of sugar is rupees 6 more than price of jaggery. Let us say that the price of jaggery is x rupees per kilogram. What will be the price of sugar? for 1 kg? X plus 6. Can you find out the price of 5 kilograms of sugar? Oh yes, it will be 5 into x plus 6.